Hey, this is Marcus with the Postcard Agent. Today, I just want to go over Every Door Direct Mail and just a quick overview of how it works. Basically, you want to be the star of your neighborhood. Wherever you live, if you are in real estate, you want to be the star of your neighborhood. You want people to know what you do. You want to be able to send them mail pieces so that it gets to every door, so that you don't have to actually be out there knocking on every door to let people know what you do. They'll continually see your face. They'll continually see your mail delivered directly to their door. So it'd be a post office that you postcard that you make up, and you would do that in Canva. You would do that in um, you can download them from Etsy. You can get something like this to where you can change your face, change the words on it, the area that you choose, and once you have that postcard all set up, and I'll do more videos about this later on once I get questions on what it is that you need to know. But you get a postcard like this, and you'll be able to send it through Every Door Direct Mail. So you would just go to Every Door Direct Mail. That's eddm.usps.com, and you would put your address in. I just put in a random address of Trailwood Road. So this is my area. With the blue or with the highlighted purple, when you highlight it, it'll give you the information that you need as far as what's on that route, as far as the route number, residential homes on that route, businesses, and so forth, and the average income on that route. So if I am in this area and I have a listing and I want to send out a just listed postcard so everyone in the neighborhood knows it's just listed, I need help selling it. Or if I've sold one, I want to let everyone know that I sold it so that they can send me more listings. Or if I just want to get my name or face in that area, just send them a market update, right? And get a free home evaluation. I would click on here, and that would be the mailing route. So it would have my neighborhood that's here. It would also have a little bit into some other neighborhoods as well. So if I wanted to do that, I would have 963 pieces. So basically, I would order 1,000 from the printer. Like I said, we do printing as well, and it would cost me $237.86 just for the postage part, and then I would have to pay for the printing part. And if you wanted to expand that out, you can go to other neighborhoods around there and let them know that you just listed a house as well, and see if they want to choose their neighbors. So each one of these will have their own number of residences that are on there. And you just order the pieces accordingly, right? So right now I would need about 4,000 pieces, and that's what I would order. It's as simple as that. There's a whole process that you go through when you order it as well, but I just want to let you know it's not that daunting. It's actually pretty easy, and you can actually get your face and get your name out there. I want to make this as quick as possible. Try to do one of these every day for the next 2 weeks or next month of December. These are unedited, and I'm just going to do them and throw them up there just so I can hopefully help someone here in the future. So that's how you choose your route on the Every Door Direct Mail. Thanks a lot.